Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my vlog. Today I'm going to talk about a place in nature that I really love, which is the forest Cameron Highlands, Pahang, Malaysia. Let's go check it out. Ladies and gentlemen, today I will introduce you about Cameron Highland, that the place I really love. Cameron Highland is located in the state of Pahang and is well known for its cool weather, green hills, and beautiful natural scenery. Among all the places there, the forest is the one that gives me the deepest sense of peace. When I walk through the forest, the first thing I notice is the fresh and cool air. It feels very different from the hot and busy city. The tall trees, soft mist, and the sound of birds create a calm and relaxing atmosphere. Sometimes, I can hear the sound of leaves moving gently when the wind blows, and it makes me feel close to the nature. What I love most about the forest in Cameron Highlands is the feeling of calmness it gives to me. In this place, I can forget my stress, problems, and daily routines. It allows me to slow down and appreciate the beauty that God has created. The forest reminds me that nature is simple, peaceful, and very precious. Besides that, the forest is also a perfect place for activities such as walking, taking photos, and enjoying the scenery. The view of green plants, moss-covered trees, and light fog make the place look magical, especially in the early morning. In my opinion, the forest in Cameron Highlands is not just a tourist attraction. It is a place that heals a mind and soul. It teaches us to love and protect nature for future generations. In conclusion, the forest in Cameron Highlands is a place in nature that I love because of its beauty, fresh air, and peaceful environment. It is a place where I feel relaxed, grateful, and connected to nature. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Siti Khadijah binti Omar. Today I would like to talk about place in nature that I really love, which is Candi Bukit Batu Pahat in Merbuk, Kedah. Candi Bukit Batu Pahat is located in Merbuk, Kedah. This place is surrounded by nature and it's known for its peaceful environment. One of the main attractions here is waterfall, which make this place calm and refreshing. Personally, I love this place because it is quiet and relaxing. The sound of the waterfall and the fresh air help me feel calm. Being here helps me reduce stress, especially after studying or having a busy week. I think this place is suitable for people who love nature and want to relax. In conclusion, Candi Bukit Batu Pahat is my favorite place in nature because it is peaceful, refreshing, and close to nature. I believe this place is worth visiting. Thank you for watching my vlog. I would like to express my appreciation to my lecturer, Dr. Siti Soraya Lin binti Abdullah Kamal. Thank you.
Welcome everyone. My name is Muhammad Syaiful Ikhwan bin Abdul Ghani. My metric number 2420108. Today I am going to talk about a place in nature that I really love, which is Pantai Bapencah, Tanjung Piandang, Perak. Natural beaches are one of nature's best gifts. Just being there makes you feel calm, relaxed, and happy. First of all, the beauty is real and untouched. The soft sand, clear blue waters, and sound of the waves instantly put your mind at ease. Beaches are also great place to chill and have fun. You can swim, have a picnic, to take walk, or just sit and enjoy the view. It's a perfect way to escape stress. Natural beaches also have local communities. Tourism brings in income and creates jobs for people living nearby. So yes, natural beaches events just beautiful. They are important. Let's take care of them so everyone can enjoy the view. It's a perfect way to escape stress. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.
Hi, hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Syami Salihin bin Abdul Kahar. My matrix numbers is 242-00662. I'm a student from School of Distance Education at USM Penang. And now I want to share to you all about the nature what I like, and I choose a beach. Now and I am at Batu Figi Beach. For me, the beach is not just a place with sand and sea. It is a place where I feel calm down, free, relaxed, and connected with nature. Whenever I feel stressed about my working, studies, and daily problems, that's why I choose the beach to release all my tensions and clear all my minds. For me, you also can do many activities such as fishing here, swimming, play sand, and many more activities you can do here. The beach is special to me because it gives me time to think, reflect, and recharge my energy. It reminds me that nature is more powerful, beautiful, with a blue ocean, clear sand, and time to healing. Here. For conclusion, The beach is the place in nature that I truly love because it brings me peace, happiness, and more inspiration. Thanks for watching me.
Hello everyone, my name is Dachani Manimaran. So today I want to talk about one place in nature I really love is Penang Hill. Honestly, I'm speaking, every time I come here, the first thing I feel is how cool and fresh the air is. And it's such a nice break from the busy city and from the noises too. What I love the most about Penang Hill is the view. You can see the whole city from the top, and it's really beautiful, especially when the weather is good and calm. It just makes you stop and breathe for a moment. This time, I brought my friend along together with me to experience this wonderful feeling and feel amazed. Whenever I feel stressed or tired, this place is one of my healing places too. I will just walk around, take some pictures, and sit quietly, enjoy the surroundings. It's really helped my clear my mind. And yeah, Penang Hill is not more than tourist place. It's a place where we can relax, feel peaceful, and feel calm too. That's why this place is one of my favorite, and I love to come to this place. This place will make you peaceful, calm, and happy. And if you're watching my video, I hope you will definitely visit Penang Hill to experience these amazing feelings. And that's all for now. And thank you so much for watching my video. See you all next time.